welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm taking you guys to Ikea. So आज मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगी नहीं and आज I'm going to take you guys straight to Ikea. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and let me know in the comments what else do you guys want to see और आप किस तरह के stores और किस तरह की यहाँ की चीज़ों के आप लोग videos and vlogs देखना चाहते हैं. So just let me know and enjoy the vlog guys. So guys, this is the biggest Ikea in UK, which is in Wembley. So of course sanitizers before entering, and then this was the entrance, huge escalators and all. How gorgeous are these plants, and I think they're great for living rooms and bedrooms, even for kitchens I guess, and they're just for £29, nothing I think. Elsewhere आप कहीं और जाएं तो काफ़ी expensive होते हैं artificial plants, and this is really nice. These are a bit expensive though. These storage boxes and £13 each, so I think it's a bit expensive for Ikea. So here's a messy layout for a living room. यहाँ पे बच्चों ने बहुत ज़्यादा mess किया हुआ था because काफ़ी busy day था और सारे बच्चे बस सब कुछ ख़राब कर रहे थे. But I loved this theme because I have a grey sofa myself. So I liked the color combination of cushions and all on top of this sofa. And these were a few wall art pieces. तो इतने clear नहीं थे because of the lighting. And woohoo, there is me in a slow motion. So guys, this is a pantry layout, and ये वाले जो इनके jars हैं ये बहुत popular हैं, and they're very reasonably priced, almost £2, £1.5 इस तरह की range में, and they're very very durable. So guys, this is a very pretty layout. I love the color combination, but I couldn't make a detailed video of everything in this theme. But I did of the shelves, and I think ये सारे जो shelves हैं जो set of 4 का एक shelf है वो £25 का था. So very good price, and they're very good quality and very very popular. How cute are these? And it's just a set of 3 for £10. So very good price. I love this shelf, but I think they haven't given the price for this, so you can check online. How cute. So another messy layout, but I love the color combination. It's very decent, especially अगर आपने कोई official type lounge बनाना है. So I love this color combination for that, and I love their shelving units as well. So all of these lanterns were almost for £2, £3. I think the bigger pink one was for £3, and look at how pretty the plants are. Love them. So guys, I love the color scheme of this room, and I think अगर मेरा अपना lounge हो तो I would keep it of this color scheme, but not this messy of course. But इस वाला जो living room है इसमें काफ़ी अच्छे pieces थे separately, and I loved these lamps. ये बहुत reasonably priced. and just for like £22 each, which is very nice. And I love their wall art pieces. Usually Etsy वगैरह पे इस तरह के wall art pieces काफ़ी expensive होते हैं, so they're very nicely priced. And then this lamp, table, laptop table or whatever they call them, it's just for £15. Good price, no? गाइस, इस ब्रांड की शेल्विंग यूनिट्स बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हैं, सबको ही पता है, बट लुक हाउ नाइसली प्राइस दे आर. दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर £45 एंड क्वाइट ह्यूज. एंड काफ़ी लोग इसको एज अ टीवी कैबिनेट भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो इट्स अ रियली नाइस डिज़ाइन एंड वेरी पॉपुलर. Oh my god, this one is just for £19. So next up we have this little kitchen layout, and it is beautiful. I love the color scheming. So basically everything that has pink, I love it. With beautiful wall art pieces. I love their shelving units. Look at them. How nice. So how cute is this corner? I love the flowers, and these little pots were just for £1 each. How reasonable. So guys, I love taking inspiration from all of these IKEA layouts, क्योंकि आपको इसमें इतने आइडियाज़ मिलते हैं. लाइक ये जो सेंटर पीसेस पड़े हुए हैं, ये इतना उन्होंने क्रिएटिवली इसको बनाया है, एंड ये सेपरेटली आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है. एंड आई लव द ओक टेबल. देयर इज सो मच इन ट्रेंड राइट नाउ. नेक्स्ट अब जो लेआउट आ रहा है, इसको मैंने आप लोगों ने पूरा साफ किया, एंड आई लव द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, बट यू आई हैव टू टच एवरीथिंग. So guys, I fell in love with this beautiful bridal themed dressing area or closet. इसमें like every single piece was so pretty and so nicely coordinated. I loved it. Look at the pretty gold stuff. So pretty. So next up we have their mattress collection जिसको उन्होंने बहुत nicely present किया हुआ है, but मतलब बहुत reasonably priced थे ये भी. £100 से start होते हैं and they go up to £400 I guess, depending on the quality. £5 for this softboard. Hello. £17 for this mirror. I love this pretty dressing area or whatever it is. And then look at this beautiful room. I wish I could have this many plants in my house. Guys, this is just like 5 or 10% of their mirror collection. Very reasonably priced. So ये section मैंने अपनी mom के लिए especially किया है record. Look at the pretty flowers and they were all very cheap. £1.50 per stem, which is a very good price, but once again बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने गंद मचाया हुआ था, as you guys can see. But just look at the flowers, they're beautiful, so never mind. And I think this was again like only like 60% of the collection. And guys, the tour comes to an end and this is the final warehouse जहाँ से आप अपनी सारी items collect करते हो और उसके जो codes होते हैं basically आपको जो भी पसंद आती हैं चीज़ें आप उनके codes की pictures ले लेते हो and then you find them in these rows. For instance, अगर आपको table पसंद आया है और उसके tag पे लिखा हुआ है कि वो आपको row 10 में से मिलेगा, तो you have to find your item in row 10 and it's a very good and systematic way of organizing things. So I love this idea of Ikea. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I will be sharing in my next video कि मैंने IKEA से क्या क्या लिया within £100. So keep watching my channel and do not forget to subscribe and like all my videos. So thank you guys and bye bye.